Okay, guys, so we're all disconnected. Let me just make sure that my recording is good, wherever that is. Is my recording good? Let's see, is Bandicam cooperating? Yes, she is. All right, cool. We're ready to rock and roll. So here's my screen. Now, what I wanted to show you is a couple good things. Now, I see this bar. I have it pinned to the top. It will not stay up there if it's not pinned. So as soon as you bring up Bandicam, pin it to the top, and this is why. So let's say I'm going through this presentation. A couple things are really, really cool. So let's say you're talking about stuff, and yeah, you already know you can draw emphasis to stuff the way you did before, right, when you're presenting. Whoops. But when you're in PowerPoint, if you click the mouse, it actually will shoot you to the next slide, which is a pain in the neck. So there's this little pencil button. You're probably saying, well, what's the pencil button for? Well, if you take a look at the pencil button, it brings up this thing. And what this does, it allows you to do things like screen write, which looks very tacky. You can erase if you write something that's tacky looking. It allows you to put text in here, should you want to put text in there. I never put text, it just takes too much time. And I still don't know how to erase the text. My favorite thing to do, though, is to count as I go through steps, right? But let's say that's not getting my point across. Because if you notice, this page is very jumbled, and as you're talking things out, people are going to want to, you're going to say something that is supposed to be powerful, and you're going to lose track of people. So my favorite thing to do is to draw arrows. And you're probably going to say, what do you mean draw arrows, Rush? Well, let me show you. Using the same thing, there's this thing called arrow. Well, I'm talking about this k value, and this dt, and that dy dt, and this equal sign. So it gives you a good way of drawing emphasis to what you're talking about. And then when you're ready to go, you just clean it all up, and you say, all right, guys, that was beautiful. You close this out or hit escape to get rid of it. And then you can go to the next slide. It's actually quite a nice thing to do, okay? So after you record your videos and you get this, right, however many videos they are, right, you're going to be ready to rock and roll. And now, once you do this and you've already adjusted everything, don't forget you've already set up everything, then what you're going to do is this. You're going to go back to said main screen, which is my main screen. I brought this up for a reason. I wanted to show you guys what you're going to do now. So once you get to this, your questions now is, how the heck are you going to get it to Resh? Well, you're going to go to youtube.com. If you try to email me a video that is close to 25 megabytes or bigger, you're not going to be able to send it through any email account, Gmail, Wayne State's email. Nothing will take it, and it's going to be a pain in the neck. So the easiest way to do it is to go to YouTube, sign in with your Gmail account, which I will recommend all of you to have. If you don't have a Gmail account, I don't know how you guys operate in this world, but sign in with the Gmail account, and you see this little button that says create or post a video. Click on it, and then you're going to upload video. Now, when you do this, it'll take you to this page where it says select file to upload. And it's pretty simple. All you do is drag and drop. So I'll give you an example. I'm going to take this video. I'll take this video, which is the part 1 of this video, right? I'm going to have to do this anyway. So I'm going to take this, which is part 1 of this video. We're going to grab it, and I'm going to drag it. And I'm just going to drop it right in. Now, you notice it says uploading 0%, 3%, 7%, 18 seconds remaining. And in here, I will say part 1 of digital presentation for Calc 2. Okay? And then here, yes, you can call it what it is. Now, this is the actual Bandicam thing, but what is it? It is part 1 of project problem instructions. Okay, so that's that. Now, if you notice here, it says it just got done uploading, and now it says publishing. Okay, so why do we need to publish things? Once we publish it, then it will officially pump it to YouTube, and then when it pumps it to YouTube, what will end up happening? So it's 95% published. It published darn near overnight. How to do that? It's magical. Okay, I'm trying to show you the whole transaction. It is going to be done sometime soon. When this happens and it published, it'll actually give you a URL to send to me. Oh, here it goes. You can actually see it. Your video will be live at this. And you're going to take this email address, you're going to copy you're going to paste it to me, and then you're going to send it. So the same way, so you're going to go to your email, you'll send it to me via email. Like for example, I'm actually going to, and there you go. So you could pick the thumbnail that you want to set. I'm going to set this as my thumbnail for it, and then I'm going to hit publish. Done. Now here's the downside. Anybody who's part of my YouTube channel is not going to see that I published this, but it's okay. So copy this, and this is what you're going to email to me, in which is the same fashion I will email to you if I can figure out what I do. I know I closed it out. So that's basically it. That's your entire presentation. In a nutshell, nothing bigger, nothing smaller, and it's really not that hard to do. Guys, it's a great skill to have, especially when you guys enter corporate America and you're going to need to put together presentations to send to your peers, and you're working on teams. You don't want to be at work until midnight with 4 other people. It's a great thing to put together when your entire team's not there to document what your team has done, so you can send it back over and you guys can all be on the same page. So if you have any questions, by all means, please don't hesitate to ask, and I will see you guys on the flip side. Adios.